SRQ Auto, people you like, cars you can trust.
You are going to love the 2009 Focus. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.